Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Ayurveda videos. I am Dr. Manasa. In today's video, I will speak about the use of Amalaki, commonly known as Amla or Indian gooseberry, in the prevention and treatment of diabetes mellitus. Amalaki has been effectively used in prevention and treatment of diabetes mellitus since ages. Embolica officinalis has been used individually and also as a part of anti-diabetic formulation or patent medicines in the prevention and treatment of diabetes mellitus. Bhavaprakasha treatise has mentioned Amalaki as a pramehagna, that is, that which cures prameha or diabetes mellitus. As an individual herb, amla is used in the form of powder, fresh juice or jam. Amla is the richest source of vitamin C. It possesses antioxidant, anti-hyperglycemic and anti-hyperlipidemic properties. These qualities make Amalaki a most wanted medicine in the treatment of diabetes. These qualities also make Amla a rasayana, that is rejuvenation, and vayasthapana, that is anti-aging herb. Amalaki balances all the doshas. Amla is also used in food preparation and as a nutritive and coolant juice. Prameha or Madhumeha, explained in Ayurveda, has been correlated to diabetes mellitus. It is of 20 kinds. 10 types are caused by kapha. Prameha is caused by all three doshas, but kapha is the main dosha involved. 6 types of prameha are caused by pitta and 4 types by vata. Due to its dry quality and astringent taste, Amalaki conquers kapha. Excessive sugar in blood, that is hyperglycemia, is due to increased kapha in the blood. Amalaki powder is a good cure for hyperglycemia. It can be given with warm water or honey. Owing to its sweet taste and cold potency, Amalaki combats vitiated pitta in diabetes mellitus. By controlling pitta, it combats ketoacidosis, that is, the acidic nature of blood associated with type 1 diabetes mellitus. In this condition, Amalaki powder mixed in water or ghee and little honey shall be used. It is also used in the form of paste, juice or jam. It is also used in excessive hunger associated with diabetes and associated gastric disturbances caused by pitta imbalance. When reasonably used, Amalaki combats vitiated vata owing to its sour taste. But excess use of gooseberry should be avoided in vata predominant diabetes mellitus since it has coolant effect. Increased coldness in the body can further increase vata dosha. Many tissues are affected in prameha. They are excreted in urine. Due to this, there is tiredness and fatigue. Therefore, Ayurveda explains prameha in terms of pathological changes seen in the urine. Amalaki strengthens the tissues and provides strength and energy. Amalaki juice is an instant energy booster. It nourishes the tissues and reduces the tissue damage. Amalaki is also considered as one of the best rasayanas, that is, immunomodulator, anti-aging medicine, and rejuvenation medicine for tissues. Indian gooseberry is also useful in prevention and cure of many associated conditions in diabetes. It is said to be chakshusya, that is, eye tonic. Therefore, it is a remedy for diabetic retinopathy. When used with daru haridra, that is Berberis aristata, or honey, amla juice reduces high pitta and inflammation in the kidneys and its filter units. Therefore, it is a good remedy for diabetic nephropathy. Amalaki will have a soothing effect and coolant effect on the entire urinary system. In limited doses and with other effective disease-modifying formulation, it soothes the nerves. Thus, it is beneficial in diabetic neuropathy. Judiciously given, Chavanprash, an Ayurvedic herbal jam, relieves numbness, burning untingling sensation caused by vata in diabetes mellitus. Non-sugared chawanprash or chawankap are beneficial in combating vata symptoms in diabetes. Amalaki is trushapaha and thus relieves excessive thirst. It is hrudya and hence supports heart and prevents complications related to heart and diabetes. Being a vrishya, it is a good remedy for erectile dysfunction associated with diabetes. It also relieves constipation. Used with honey, it reduces weight in obese diabetics. It does not allow increase of weight. Amalaki is an ingredient in popular Ayurveda anti-diabetic formulations like Chavanprash, Brahmarasayana, Nishamalaki Churna, Mehari Churna, Amalaki Rasayana and Tifala Churna. Thanks for watching the video. To learn more about health and Ayurveda in an easier way, keep watching Easy Ayurveda videos.